Riprap versus seawalls, what actually works on lakes. If you own lakefront property, sooner or later you'll face one expensive question. Should you install riprap or build a seawall? One option looks cleaner, the other looks more natural. But which one actually protects your shoreline better? And could choosing the wrong one cost you thousands of dollars? Today we're comparing both systems using engineering principles, maintenance costs, environmental impact, and long-term performance. So riprap is simply large rocks placed along the shoreline. It absorbs wave energy and prevents erosion naturally. It is a flexible system, allows water movement, and reduces wave force gradually. A seawall works differently. It's a rigid vertical barrier, usually concrete, steel, or wood, designed to block the shoreline from erosion. Rather than absorbing wave energy, it reflects much of that energy back into the lake. So it reflects wave energy, provides a strong barrier, and is often used in tight spaces. How does each work? Well, let's start with the basics. Riprap is a layer of large angular rocks placed along the shoreline. Instead of stopping waves, it absorbs and dissipates their energy. Water flows between the rocks, reducing the force that reaches the soil behind them. A seawall works differently. It's a rigid vertical barrier designed to block the shoreline from erosion. Rather than absorbing wave energy, it reflects much of that energy back into the lake. So which performs better? If your shoreline has a moderate wave action and enough space for a slope shoreline, riprap usually provides better long-term erosion protection. The rocks adjust naturally over time and can often be repaired by replacing or repositioning individual stones. Seawalls shine where space is limited or where vertical access is needed, such as marinas, docks, or developed waterfronts. However, seawalls often experience greater stress from wave impacts. Over time, they can crack, lean, or fail if drainage and foundation conditions aren't properly designed. So which one should you choose? Choose riprap if you have room for a sloped shoreline. Your goal is long-term erosion control. You want lower maintenance. You prefer a natural shoreline. Choose a seawall if your property has very limited space, you need a vertical access for boats, existing infrastructure requires a vertical edge. Local regulations or site conditions favor engineered walls. The best solution isn't always choosing one or the other. Many shoreline engineers design hybrid systems that combine riprap, retaining structures, draining improvement, and vegetation. So here's the bottom line. For most lakefront properties dealing with erosion, properly designed riprap generally provides excellent long-term protection because it works with wave energy instead of fighting against it. That doesn't mean seawalls are bad. They're simply designed for different situations. The right answer depends on your shoreline slope, wave conditions, available space, soil type, local regulations, and budget. If you're planning a shoreline project, don't choose based only on appearance. Choose a solution that fits your site and is engineered for long-term performance. If you found this comparison helpful, subscribe for more videos covering shoreline engineering, erosion control, lake management, and practical property improvement tips. If you've installed riprap or a seawall, please share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear what has worked for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more videos. And if you've, sorry, I'm repeating myself. Anyways, if you'd like a blog from this video, including the diagrams, please message PJ at pennyvaledocs.com and include the title of this video, which is Riprap versus Seawalls, what actually works on lakes. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.